It starts raining, and suddenly everything feels different. The world slows down. Your mind feels quieter, and for some reason, you like this version of life more. But why? Why do you feel at peace when the sky turns dark, while others feel uncomfortable? This isn't random, it's psychology. During a normal day, everything feels loud. Bright sunlight, constant movement, people rushing, notifications, expectations. It's like the world is always telling you, do more, move faster. But then, clouds gather, the light fades, the sky turns blue-gray, and suddenly it feels like permission. Permission to slow down, permission to pause. Your brain actually notices this shift. As the light dims, your body begins to relax. Stress levels drop. Your mind stops racing. It's not just weather. It's your brain switching from pressure mode to calm mode. Then comes that smell, that fresh, earthy scent right after rain. There's a name for it, petrichor. It happens when rain hits dry soil and releases natural oils and tiny particles into the air. And your brain? It loves it. Why? Because this smell is deeply connected to survival. For ancient humans, rain meant water, growth, life. So your brain learned to associate it with something positive. But there's more. That smell often brings back memories without you even trying. Childhood, peaceful moments, simpler times. This is called involuntary memory. And for a moment, your mind feels clear, like everything stressful just fades away. Now listen closely. Rain isn't just relaxing to look at, it's calming to hear. The steady sound of rain, the distant rumble of thunder, this creates something called pink noise. Unlike random noise, pink noise is soft, balanced, and predictable. Your brain doesn't see it as a threat. Instead, it feels safe. Even better, it covers up distracting sounds. Traffic, voices, chaos. Everything fades into the background, and what you're left with is this. A kind of sound bubble, an acoustic cocoon, where the outside world feels far away, and your thoughts finally have space to breathe. Now you're inside, rain tapping against the window, and suddenly your room feels different, warmer, safer, more yours. The outside world looks cold and distant, but inside, it's calm. This is something powerful. Rain gives you a reason to stay in. No pressure to go out. No guilt for slowing down. It's like society quietly says, stay, rest, it's okay. And that's rare. The soft lights, the blankets, the quiet atmosphere. Everything feels intentional, like you've created your own small world. And then there's that feeling, peaceful. This isn't bad. This is reflective melancholy. Rain doesn't just calm you, it makes you think about your life, your choices, your future. But instead of overwhelming you, it slows those thoughts down, makes them clearer, more manageable. For a lot of people, this is when their best ideas come, when they understand themselves better, when they feel most real. So no, you're not weird for loving the rain. You're not lazy for wanting to stay inside. You've just found something most people overlook, a moment where the world pauses and your mind finally catches up. For you, rain isn't a disruption. It's a sanctuary.